Hi guys, Drew here, and I want to talk to you today about keybinds for World of Warcraft. Now, most of the time you'll start out with just the default keybinds, which is under keybinds, and then let's just reset them to show you what it looks like. Okay, so it'll look like this. Now to change those, you just start over. First you want to do your movement keys. I'm used to strafing left, strafing right, and then I move forward with S instead of moving backwards. Now the next sets would be action bar 1. Now I use this for my focus when I focus denounce someone. So I just use that control R. Control R are the control keybinds are the ones that I rarely even use, just in special situations. And then with Bob, I like E, because it's one of your main spells. Denounce, I use, 5 for denounce. Oops. Okay, there it is. Okay, I put Hodge as RTY. Again, that's another main spell. You have to have fast Hodges as a Hpally. And then Wings, that's equal sign, but that's on my Logitech. It's like the thumb back one. And then I use Z for my beacon. I guess that's because it's pretty close to ASD, so when you're moving, you're going to be wanting to switch beacons a lot. So that's why I chose that. And Aura Mastery. Sometimes you have to use Wings and Aura Mastery together depending on the situation. So I like to be able to just quickly, just hit Control and then that keybind, which is supposed to be like that. Okay. And then mites, I use Control 0 for that. Control F, that's for Cookie and stuff and then on my Draenei, I have my Draenei buff right there. Okay, so then after you're done with this bottom row, you go to multi-action bar. And it's the same thing here. Just your freedoms, your bops, and all your main spells should be all main keybinds. Sack should be 4. Well, I use 4. CVB for cleanse. I use Q for bubble and W for trinket. Sometimes if I'm panicking, I kind of accidentally do fat finger, bubble, and trinket, which is really bad, but I like it the fact where the kind of right next to my strafing and my moving forward keybinds, so that I can hit either one pretty fast. So then after that is rebuke. I like Control 7, 8, and 9 for that. Word of Glory. Okay. Oh, I guess that one's that. So this one, I don't remember what I put this one as. That one's that. Okay. 9, and then Divine Light. It's this one. Sacred Shield is this one. I think this one was this. Yeah, it was that. Okay, so I have all these heals pretty much on around the same area on my mouse. I have the Logitech G600, so I can quickly access, whichever button I want to push, so I don't have to like move out of my way to get to a keybind. And then let's see, right action button ones. These are these over here. I use Control E for that. Kings, I usually switch out Might and Kings right here depending on what I'm doing. I just kind of have it there. This is easy. This is for speed. So I just remember, like, this is your speed of light. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so right here, this is your wall. Control D. Control G for that. And then I don't really use mounts at all. So then after that, like, you just I usually don't hit World of Glory unless I have two or more procs. You look for Infusion of Light because that means you'll get a Divine Light proc right there. So that should be coming in priority. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Bye.